Ayo, beach house vibes, maneuver the jet ski. Cause I serve a God that parted the Red Sea.
Hi guys, so I googled the pictures and I found them on Pinterest. I printed them out. It costed me like 15 shillings to print each, and I looked for the carton. That's where I'm going to stick them. And watch the video and remember to subscribe. I hope you learned something. This is so easy. Just find the design that you want. I preferred the makeup one because I love makeup. Angel because that's my baby's name. Then you must have a black tape to make it look like a frame, and you can actually do a size that you want. I wanted this one to be a little bit small. That's why I was cutting it and making sure it fits. You have to make sure that it fits to the carton that you're going to stick on. Yeah.
You leave, I want to follow you there. You mistake on my heart, it got yeah. Me and you, we are deeply connected now. You say it in a hear it different. You get it from my heart, it don't tear. Me and you, we are deeply connected. Yeah. I'm obsessed, I confess. These things in my head go spinning. These things in my head go spinning, go spinning.
I didn't have a glue at this time, so I just used the tape just to hold on for a while because it's not strong enough to to hold it to the wall. So I just used it so that I can stick it, so that I can show you guys how it looked, and I later used glue to stick it on. I decided to place them on top of where my bed is because that side of the wall reflects a lot of light, and I could use this as the background when I'm doing my makeup videos. You can add something like lights.
I'm obsessed, I confess. These things in my head